It's great to see the crew gathered around the table. Megan, with that, we'll toss it back to you as we continue to monitor from here in Mission Control Houston. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Gary. Yes, a pre-flight tradition that we have seen with our crewed flights and our astronauts, the card game, Nicole. Each crew member was assigned their own suit technician. So as you said, working very closely with the same person to make sure that the crew felt comfortable and ready in these suits as they lift off from Kennedy Space Center. The astronauts who have just left crew suit up and are now walking down a hallway to greet some family and friends downstairs. Commander Reid Wiseman, Pilot Victor Glover, Mission Specialist Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen. These doors, the same doors that astronauts who have launched from Kennedy Space Center have walked out of since the Apollo program. Great crowd here. A shot now of everyone who is waiting to greet the crew as they walk out of the operations and checkout building here at Kennedy Space Center. This picture here, President Nixon talking to the Apollo 11 astronauts inside said quarantine vehicle. And here they are, NASA's Artemis II crew. Commander Reid Wiseman, Pilot Victor Glover, and Mission Specialist Christina Koch and Jeremy Hansen taking their first steps outside for their historic test flight. You know, when you were standing in their shoes, Nicole, when you flew for crew, and now as he walks away, some kisses from Victor Glover to his family, hearts to Christina. Jeremy being a gentleman, pausing so that Christina can take a nice photo without him. You heard Reid there saying, "Thank you guys," as the crowd picks up again with their applause, and the four of them step into their Astrovan. Looking at the clock, very on schedule right now. Again, according to the very detailed timeline of launch today, they are expected to drive off in about 20 seconds.
And there they go.
And off they go. Reid, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy now on their way to launch pad 39B, where they will fly to the moon, something no human has done in over 50 years. They may also set a new record as the farthest humans have ever been from Earth, a record set by the Apollo 13 crew almost 56 years ago today. We still hear cheers as they drive away from the operations and checkout building here at Kennedy Space Center.